Hi there, this is your vocal warm-up for mezzo-sopranos and sopranos. We're going to be going through your high notes, we're going to be going through twang and belting. So please only use this video if you already know how to do twang and belting properly with the proper techniques without hurting your voice. If you're not sure, then please go to the description box where you can find videos on how to sing twang and how to sing belting, how to look after your voice properly. Before using this video, you must have those in place before you're able to do this video safely. Okay, we're going to start with a lip bubble and we're going to do the 1.5 arpeggios and it sounds like this. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 7, and. Keep going. Back down. Okay, next we're going to sing a double arpeggio on a tongue trill. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and. Missed that one. Keep going. Okay, next we're going to open it up. This sound is wah. And as we get to the high notes, it's going to sound like a baby crying, or maybe even a cat. But you want to get, this is to get your twang really nice and clear. So the sound is wah, wah, wah. So here we go. Wah, wah, wah. 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 Let's get loud. Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah. Landing in full voice. Landing in full voice. Back down. Landing in full voice. Chest voice, mixed voice. Now, if you would like singing lessons with me, I have taken on people, I'm working with people that have found me on YouTube, so it is possible. All you need to do is go to the description box or the pinned comment, book yourself in for a consultation. We'll spend about 30 minutes together just having a chat about what you've done in your with your singing, how you've got to where you are so far, what your singing goals are, and what's blocking you. I'll listen to your voice and we'll have a chat about where we can take you forward. I look forward to meeting you. Okay, the next exercise is, this is going into our belting, and we're using one of my favorite patterns. So I'm going to call it the space tune for now, and you'll hear why when you hear the pattern. So the pattern is, we're going to sing this on whoa. So we're going to split it up into 3, and we're going to sing whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. This is high for belting. So you should feel really nicely warmed up now. Now, of course, if you do feel any pain, then stop. Make sure you check in with your technique, and then only start again when you're confident that you are doing the technique correctly. I'm going to open you up to yeah. So make sure that you're giving it lots of energy, but not lots of effort. Okay, so here's the pattern. Here we go, and it's yeah, yeah. So make sure you slide down, and as you get to those high notes, we're going to slide down into a full voice. So we're not going yeah, it will be yeah, all the way. Here we go, 5, 6, 7, and yeah, 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 yeah. Only go as far as you can. If you would like to book a lesson, then do remember to go to the pinned comment or the description, click the link in there, get yourself booked in. I really look forward to meeting you. And if it's the right fit, working with you on improving your vocals. The next exercise, we're going to sing to na. This is going to help with the focus and the clarity. And we're going to sing this pattern, the triad, then the octave back to the root. Na, 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 na. So sliding back in full voice when we land on the root note. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and na, 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 na. Our next exercise is a simple yeah, and just on one single note, and we go up the scale. Yeah, 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 yeah. Back down. that you've enjoyed your warm-up for advanced singers. We went through high notes, belting and twang. Take care, stay hydrated. Ciao!